Talks. I am your host Trupta Kolgod Nadkarni. On this digital platform, we speak to entrepreneurs from various fields who tell us why exactly they didn't want the typical 9 to 5, but they wanted to do something out of the box. They wanted to help people, they wanted to follow their heart, their passion, anything you want to call it. So my guest today is Bijal Gada. She is the sole owner of Bijal Gada Makeovers, a highly talented, charming lady. She has a rich experience of 13 years in the field of makeup and fashion industry, and she has over 14 international degrees in makeup globally. She has done various seminars on makeup in India as well as overseas. She has also been a judge of various beauty competitions and has also worked as a makeup artist in Bollywood. Not just that, she has also been awarded, various awards like the best makeup artist, like the Nari Ratna Award in 2019, Midday Award in 2018, Udan in 2017, just to name a few, and there are many more. So that's really, really amazing. And we are happy to have her here on the KYE platform.
Yeah.
Hi, Bijal, and welcome to the KYE digital platform. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing great, and thank you so much for having me here. I'm very excited today.
Thank you, Bijal. So same here.
Thank you so much for having me here. And basically, this journey started 35 years before. So my mom is a makeup artist from last 35 years. Okay, and she's a very strong woman. Okay, who only concentrates on women empowerment.
Wow.
So before 13 years, when I was in 12th standard, my mom told me that Bijal, I think you should also start learning. You should start learning this makeup, and you should start, you should start learning this beauty things. And I was like, no, mom, I don't want to learn. I just want to be like that 9 to 5 ka job, like MBAs and all that thing. And then she's like, okay, no worries. It is your personal choice. But my advice is that you should learn at least.
Yeah.
Learn,
Right.
nothing else. Okay. And then 13 years before I started learning that makeup thing. Okay. And slowly, I get the interest like makeups, color, brides, wedding, events. And for me, it is just like a fun thing. And side by side, I started doing my MBA, my CFP, everything.
Okay.
So I started working in L&T, okay, as a financial manager. That was my first job. And till that time, I was like a pro makeup artist. Both the things started together.
Wow.
And within 1 month, I just ran away from L&T. And then I realized that I'm not for that 9 to 5 job, and I'm here only and only for this colorful job, okay?
Right.
The job where there is always like happiness, positive around me. And then from last 11 years, I'm totally into this makeup field. So one strong woman raised me, okay?
Right.
So that is the reason that I'm today in this field. And right now, I'm not only a bridal makeup artist, but I'm a mentor also. So we have so many beauty schools and Mumbai. So that is the one reason. So journey started not 13 years before, but 35 years before.
Correct. Amazing. Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
a really nice story. So, please tell me
Yeah.
as well behind starting the save. Like, you wanted to help people, and what was it?
Yes. See, right now my mom is into this business. Okay, I'm also there, and my sister-in-law, mom's, daughter-in-law,
Yeah.
she's also in this business. So she is like that. Women empowerment is very, very, very important. Okay, all the women should be independent. So then we just realized that we should start our own academy, and we should start, teaching all the women.
Yeah.
So from last 8 years, we have our own beauty school and academies, okay? And in that, we teach each and every woman, not only with the less amount, because our fees are very less, okay, compared to the other academies.
Okay.
So we not only concentrate on the, higher class, but it is all about middle class and lower middle class also.
Right.
And we teach so many needy girls without taking any single rupee.
Wow.
So I just believe that, raise women, okay?
Absolutely.
Each and every woman requires your little bit help, and that is something which is more important.
Absolutely. And hats off to you for,
Yeah.
really thinking about women and women's empowerment. So that's
Yes.
what we did
Yes.
this time. So really nice to hear that, Bijal. So, what is it about this field? You already told me that you love this colorful, you were cut out to do this colorful.
Yes.
So what is it about
Yes.
that gives you a kick, bolte hai na, like, kick milta hai, a sense of accomplishment or satisfaction?
Yeah, sure. So kick तो मुझे मिलता है दो चीजों से. First thing, the smile on my bright face, the makeover, and second thing, that tears in my students' eyes on the day of graduation when they feel proud that they are certified from BGM.
Wow.
These two things gives me a lots of responsibility that we have to, boom the market.
Right.
बहुत सारी चीजें करनी है. It's like that.
Right. Amazing. And I'm
Yeah.
sure
Yeah.
you feel really nice to have graduated from BGM. So,
Yes.
So, when
that's
you
the thing.
start a new venture, there are bound to be challenges, obstacles, barriers. So in your case, what were some of the challenges you had to face and overcome, or some of the barriers you had to break?
Sure. The first challenge was money part. The thing is that because of my dad, gone through with big financial crisis.
Okay.
So before this, 10 years before, we were not having it was a lots of problem in our life. Not even 5,000 we were having in our hand. And from that, we started with zero, literally like zero. And right now we reached here.
Wow.
So first, only and only obstacle was that money. But of course, money can't stop like strong women.
Right.
So we have to go, we have to see our dreams. So I have dreams. Many dreams, and then I become crazy and mad to fulfill all the dreams.
Right.
And today we are here. So I think obstacles is nothing but our mind's obstacle. Otherwise, no one can, give you all that hold, or no one can. Yes. There is no one who can, kick you like that. So you have to be strong.
Absolutely.
Obstacles is nothing for me.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
You are about it. So very awesome.
Yes.
So
yes.
Yeah, amazing. So, at this time, what do you think is needed from you to take BGM to the next level? To reach your business aspirations, what is needed from your side?
Sure. So now what is happening that after this COVID period and all, we just realized that technology is very important. Okay. So now we are taking our business to the next level.
Okay.
So in this COVID period, in that 3 months, started online classes, and I just more than 10,000 students pass out from BGM.
Wow.
In that 3 months.
That's really
online. So then I thought, yeah, the place is not a thing. So COVID-19, taught me that place and everything is not a thing. You can teach whole world also. So right now we are totally focusing on technology. Okay. So new websites, CRM, data management, there are so many other things which are coming up in our organization.
Yeah, correct. And you're keeping up, because COVID taught you to stay positive, but also look at options that are not in person. So you are.
Yes, there are lots of options. 10,000 students pass out from BGM.
Yeah.
From all over the world.
Absolutely.
So that is a big opportunity for us, and yeah, that's the thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and the most important thing that right now it is a social media ka zamana. So each and everyone knows everything. So you have to be very creative. You can't copy anyone. Since it is a creative field, so you can't copy anyone. You always have to be very creative. So that is, and you can't lie to anyone in this world.
Right.
Yeah, because Google is the answer for everything. Yeah, so that is something which I'm thinking that this will take me a.
And you guys are entrepreneurs because you're always thinking ahead and you're thinking of everybody. You want to take everybody forward.
Yes.
And keeping up with the changing times.
Yes.
That's really nice.
Yes.
So, when you started BGM, from that journey till date, how has it changed you? What changes has it brought about in you?
Once a woman become a mother, then what change comes? The same BGM is my baby. Okay.
Correct.
So I totally change, and right now all my employees, all my students are just like my kid. So I have to think about them only. So if I will do something creative, if I will grow, then they will also grow.
Right.
So I have to create more and more employment. I'm thinking that way.
Right.
So more responsibility.
Right.
More motivation.
Absolutely.
That's all.
And you're always
and more positive person.
Yeah, absolutely. You become very positive.
Yeah,
I can tell it shows on your face.
Very positive.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I always like that. I'm always like this only. In my academy, everywhere, I'm like this only. In my seminars, workshop, anywhere.
That's really amazing. So I'm sure
Yeah.
students are lucky to, have you as their mentor and, great entrepreneur as well.
Yeah, I'm just like their friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. So they feel
Yeah.
that level
They
of
feel that
support.
I'm their friends. Yeah.
Absolutely. So, last
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You always have to be down to earth.
absolutely. So, Bijal, please tell us,
Yeah.
what are some of your words of wisdom or advice that you would like to give to the upcoming and budding entrepreneurs? Because a lot of time, they have ideas, but like they don't know how to execute or go about it, or they're just scared to take that first step. So, what would you like to say to them?
First thing that all the successful entrepreneur are mad and crazy.
Okay.
In starting level, okay, no one will trust you. But it is just only you yourself. You should have trust on yourself.
Right.
So in case you are having any idea, anything, write it down.
Okay.
Second thing,
Yes.
you can do everything. Okay, you can do everything. It is just that you have to find a way. So there is always a way. So I'm also a woman. I also have my kid. I also have my family, my in-laws, my husband, and all other things. But when I'm thinking about my dreams, my own dreams, then it is just like a Bijal only. And I'm really very, very, very passionate about my dreams.
Right.
So consistency is a main thing, because I see generally people, they just feel that now I will do a business, let's start this. And after a few months, they are like, no, I can't do this.
Yeah.
So that is not the thing. Consistency and creativity and something different.
Yeah.
Don't copy anyone. Create your own. And the most important thing right now, all the young entrepreneurs, what they think, that they should get success very quickly. They want success very quickly.
Fast.
Here we are struggling from last 11 years, 13 years.
Yeah.
And first, the base should be very clear and strong. Make a strong base, a goodwill, a good relationship with the client. Then, otherwise, if you think that you want success very quickly, then it will go also very quickly.
Yeah.
Okay, because very new people are coming up. So the first thing, consistency, creativity, and make a good goodwill with your client. That is the only thing. Goodwill, good relationship.
Very nice and very true and so well said. Can't expect success
Yeah.
like this. You have to work.
No, not possible. Yeah, you have to work out. 24/7, you have to work. There is no excuse.
Absolutely.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
Yeah. So there's no
Yeah.
excuse for that. So you have to be consistent.
There is no excuse.
Okay.
Yes, because right now I'm working 24/7. I don't take a single day chutti.
Wow.
No holiday.
No holidays.
Yeah, because it is my own business, my own baby. I have to take care of.
Absolutely. And
So many people are depending on me.
absolutely. And like so many years and going strong. So, thank you for coming on the KY
Yeah.
platform and speaking to us.
Thank you.
Wish BGM all the very
Yeah, thank you so much.
future. It was really nice.
Yeah. Very soon, franchisee all over world. Very soon.
All the best for that. And it was really nice speaking to you.
Thank you.
And always be smiling like
Thank you so much, Kavai. Yeah, I'm always like this. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Bijal.
Thank you.
Take care. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Thank you.